Today, Aviktas at Blackpool Pleasure Beach opens officially to the public, and this is going to be my first ever time that I will be riding it. I have been kindly invited by the Blackpool Pleasure Beach team to the opening of their event, so I'm extremely grateful for that and I cannot wait to get on the ride.
After the initial wait, we headed into the park to check out this brand new Intamin Gyroswing and see whether it lived up to the hype. The event started with speeches from both Amanda Thompson and the Intamin team who spoke about this incredible £9 million investment. After that, we were then given exclusive access to Aviktas for a few hours before the general public, meaning plenty of ride time and the chance to properly experience it.
The area around the ride is looking really nice. It's obviously not themed very much, but it's definitely stylised very well. We're right near the front of the queue now, here for Aviktas, and I cannot wait to get on board. Here we go, first ride on Aviktas, I cannot wait. Aviktas is absolutely fantastic. I've just had my first ride there and that was incredible. I actually think I do prefer it to Loki at Liseberg. I think they are both quite similar in height. However, I do think Aviktas was a little bit more forceful, so I really did enjoy that. Not only is it the best flat ride in the UK, but I do think it is actually one of the best rides in the UK as well. So make sure you get down to Blackpool Pleasure Beach and ride Aviktas. The queue's just opened back up for Aviktas, so we're going to make our way on for our second ride. Aviktas at Blackpool Pleasure Beach is absolutely fantastic. Make sure you get yourself down here and ride Aviktas. I've just had two fantastic rides there on Aviktas, and that Intamin Gyroswing is absolutely fantastic. They have smashed it out of the park. It's extremely forceful and those restraints allow you to get a bunch of airtime and hang time as well. And honestly, there were some moments on there, because I haven't eaten that much today, that I was starting to grey out a little bit, and you probably will be able to see that on the footage. It definitely isn't the most flattering, that's for sure. However, it was an absolutely fantastic ride. A massive thank you to Blackpool Pleasure Beach for inviting me here today for the opening of Aviktas. It was an absolutely amazing day, and it was great to see and meet a bunch of other creators as well, so I've really enjoyed myself. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.